Hello and welcome to Stoke Audi. My name is Ben and today I'll be showing you around this stunning example of a brand new Audi A5 Sportback 2 litre 40 TFSI with the S Tronic gearbox. This particular A5 is finished in the Mythos Black metallic paint, giving this car a real executive look. Moving forward, we come to this car's matrix LED headlights with the front and rear dynamic indicators. These really brighten up the road conditions for the driver when those darker nights start to creep in again. And moving around to the side, we come to this car's 19-inch 5-spoke Cavo design alloy wheels, giving this car some real nice presence on the road. Looking to the side of the vehicle, we can see that Sportback design. This gives a little bit more room for the rear passengers than the A5 Coupe, but still keeps a nice slope design, giving this car a real sporty look. And making our way around to the rear of the vehicle, we do have the rear parking sensors, which work seamlessly with the reverse camera. Upon opening the boot, it reveals this car's 465 litres of boot space. Plenty of room for those day-to-day tasks, as well as room for those suitcases when we can finally make it abroad again. The 40-20-40 folding rear seats fold separately, creating a nice through load space, great for loading in those longer or larger items, while the rear scuff plate protects the rear of the vehicle when sliding in those items. Closing the rear tailgate is just a simple push of the button and it automatically closes for you. So let's take a look at the rest of this car's interior. Opening the driver's side door, we are greeted with this car's luxury interior. The front seats are really supportive and comfortable, and this car are finished in the fine Napa leather and Alcantara middle. Taking a closer look at the Alcantara material, we find the S embossed logos just below the head restraint. Finding the perfect driving position is nice and easy thanks to this car's 4-way lumbar support. From the driver's perspective, we can see this car's leather perforated multifunction steering wheel with controls for the multimedia systems, the cruise control stalk, which is perfect for those longer motorway drives, and the paddle shifters, which let the driver take full control. This A5 also comes fitted with Audi's fantastic virtual cockpit display. This lets the driver configure what is shown on screen using the buttons located on the steering wheel. Moving over to the intuitive MMI touchscreen display, we can select from options like the DAB radio, with a good choice of radio stations, the satellite navigation system, with multi-touch and gesture controls, mobile phone connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, perfect for streaming your latest tracks or taking those hands-free mobile phone calls. And finally, the Audi Drive Select system, letting you choose between efficient, comfort, auto, dynamic and individual driving styles. Moving lower down, we have the controls for the 3-zone climate control. The easy-to-use dials make it easy to change the temperature, while the buttons to the centre help you change the fan intensity as well as the fan direction. To either side of the climate controls, we do have the controls for the front heated seats. Pressing these multiple times will change the intensity as well as turning them back off again. Pushing this button here or putting the car into reverse will automatically activate this car's reverse parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. This makes parking this A5 really nice and easy. Lower down still, we do have a 12-volt power socket as well as a USB-A port, perfect for charging and connecting those media devices. We do have the 2 cup holders and a little cubby hole, which is perfect for storing the keyless go keys. The audio control dial in this car allows you to change volume and track without needing to take your eyes off the road. As mentioned earlier in the video, this car does come with the S Tronic automatic gearbox, so here we have the automatic gear selector as well as the electronic parking brake. Under the front armrest we do have the Audi phone box containing a wireless phone charger, signal booster and USB-C port, perfect again for charging and connecting these media devices. vehicle is finished in the same premium materials as the front, with child ISOFIX points to easily install a child car seat. Controls to the centre for the third zone of the 3-zone climate control, as well as a 12-volt power socket and 2 USB-A ports, perfect for keeping those kids' devices nice and charged on those longer journeys. The rear passengers also benefit from a fold-out armrest. Really nice again for those longer journeys. So thank you for coming on a tour of this brand new Audi A5 Sportback. If you would like any more information on this vehicle, please don't hesitate to give our team a call on 01782 488 205. Thank you.